Hey, I've sat through countless movie nights where the action almost felt alive, and then the first time I powered on the RX-A2A, something in the room literally shifted. This is for the person who feels sound, who's noticed there's always a gap between what you see on screen and what your gear actually delivers, who knows deep down that immersive audio isn't a luxury, it's the missing piece of every great night in. Before anything else, take a moment to check the current price and stock, because receivers at this level don't linger and good deals don't either. You know that moment when your old receiver just strained to keep up? When a dramatic score felt flat, or a chase scene didn't ripple through the room the way it should. That tiny disconnect, between the impact you expected and the thin audio you got, was the moment you realized you'd outgrown compromise. The first time I actually heard Atmos unfold with the RX-A2A, it felt like the ceiling lifted. High channels give you sound above and around you, not just from in front. Dialogue becomes tangible, surround effects feel real, and explosions don't just happen, they arrive. Once you feel that kind of presence, ordinary sound feels distant in a way you can't unhear. Picture a late-night movie where you don't watch sound, you live it. Rain pattering overhead, engines roaring in the distance, whispers that feel intimate because they're crisp and clear. Music isn't just background anymore, it fills your space with depth and nuance. Gaming feels bigger. Concert footage feels like you're front row. And that's not hype, that's how your brain reacts when everything finally lines up. If you're hesitating because you think maybe waiting for another model or just slightly better deal might pay off, here's the real pain you're avoiding. Every time you go back to basic gear after hearing something great, it feels flat. You've felt the frustration of shallow audio enough to know you don't want it back. That's loss aversion. You don't just want sound that's okay anymore, you want sound that moves you. One of the best surprises with this receiver is how natural everything stays even under heavy loads. You hit full volume during a big scene and there's no strain, no distortion creeping in, just composed, articulate performance. It's calm power, and that steadiness becomes part of your experience. You don't manage your system, you enjoy what it does. You feel the depth in every moment, you hear subtle details you miss before, you connect with every movie and track, you enjoy power without aggression, you take pride in gear that actually performs. It's not oversized, it's not needlessly complex at a certain point, endless comparisons just slow you down. You've lived with average sound long enough. You know how it feels to crave bigger, richer, more immersive audio. And once you feel what your space could deliver, anything less feels like a compromise you no longer want to make. So if you're ready to stop imagining immersive sound and start living in it, check that price, check availability, and make the call. The RX-A2A isn't just another receiver, it's the heartbeat your home theater has been waiting for.